I really aspire to be like a district representative or a senator.
After finishing law school, my ultimate goal is to be a political correspondent. That's just like my dream.
Ultimately, if I'm very fortunate enough to get there, I would love to be a politician. It's something I've always dreamed of.
What I want to do is go back into my community and be a mentor.
I know that people like me don't usually become congresswomen, but I know it would be different, and I think I can bring a different outcome on the plate.
My ultimate career goal would be to be a senator.
I ultimately want to work in the family courts so that I can provide students or children really in general with better resources and diversion programs.
I plan to pursue my master's in social work and do some sort of policy.
I could see myself going fully into politics or potentially into a role like a principal.
I just want to have that opportunity to be in a place where I know for a fact I'm helping people.
Get excited and get ready. You have been selected to be a federal policy fellow. I am so proud of you.
You need to get ready and excited. You have been selected as a 2022 Federal Policy Fellow. Congratulations.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Wow, you really surprised me.
You've been selected to be a 2022 Federal Policy Fellow.
I am honored. I am beyond honored to be a part of this cohort. Oh my gosh.
10 out of 10, cloud 9, and even beyond. I'm so thrilled. Woo.
Oh, yay. I'm so excited. That's awesome.
Great. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
I really hope to make the most of the opportunity and to really connect with people who just, want to try to change the future.
Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. This is amazing.
I know that through the fellowship, I can speak to Congress people and I can learn how to make legislation. And I can speak from actual experience as someone who lives in poverty, as someone who's a Black woman who experienced all things like this. I can convey to these people, okay, these are things that not only her, but other people believe in, and I feel like I could get this support. And I know that the KIPP Fellowship will just be the perfect platform for me to do that.
As I've grown older, I've really grown to understand the sacrifices that my parents made, including in my ability to attend a KIPP middle school. And it's my primary reason for why I feel so compelled to become involved in educational policy and work to eliminate barriers.
Even when I was younger, I really struggled with talking because I had just came to this country. So to just go from that little girl trying to talk and everything to just being able to really articulate myself and share my point of view would be a great opportunity to do for the rest of my life and hopefully have my own show.
Just to have the ability to influence people's lives and really just to speak up for things I believe in and for a community that I believe is underrepresented. For me, it would be the Hispanic community.
And I really want to have the experience of working in a place that I see myself in the future. So I feel like getting that firsthand experience is really important.